You're watching EAC News. Thank you for joining us. A week today, it will be exactly 7 months since the 20 February community transmission event. And on Monday, Cambodia's total COVID-19 case count passed the grim milestone of 100,000 cases. Before February this year, the kingdom had dealt with 2 community outbreaks. Both were contained within a month. But on the 20th of February, 4 Chinese nationals bribed their way out of quarantine and spent a night on the town. It was a night out that has cost Cambodia dearly. EAC News reporter Reo Soko has the story.
On the 20th of February this year, Cambodia had recorded a total of just 516 COVID-19 cases. Most had been imported. Daily cases were averaging out at between 20 and 30. There had been 0 deaths, but in the early hours of that day, 4 Chinese women in quarantine at Sokha Hotel bribed a security guard and escaped. They visited several upmarket condos and partied the rest of the night away in a packed nightclub. 2 of them were COVID positive. One of them had the more contagious Alpha variant. Cases began climbing and fast. In the days that followed, schools and other high-risk businesses were ordered closed. International travel was severely restricted. As time went on and cases continued to climb, curfews and lockdowns were announced in the capital and then across the country, with a new Delta variant only complicating an already difficult situation. Weeks of closure for some businesses has turned into months, with restrictions still in place in many provinces, including the capital. On Monday, 13 September, the Ministry of Health announced its latest COVID-19 figures: 629 new cases, 9 deaths, and 422 recoveries. They take the kingdom's total number of cases to 100,133. The death toll stands at 2,049. And the country's health workers have successfully treated a total of 94,326 patients. Almost exactly 7 months have passed since those 4 Chinese nationals bribed their way out of quarantine at Sokha Hotel. 7 months later, over 100,000 people in Cambodia have been infected. Over 2,000 have lost their lives. Ironically, Sokha Hotel is now one of the only 4 hotels in the capital to be officially designated as an alternative state quarantine hotels. Rhea Soko, EAC News, Phnom Penh.